How to download Bank of America app on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download the Bank of America app on your Android device. For this, you want to open the Play Store app on your Android device and make sure to sign into your Gmail account. Once you do that, you want to tap on the search bar. Now, type Bank of America and tap on the search option. As soon as you do that, you're going to find a bunch of search results. Now you want to tap on the Bank of America Bank app over here. Now, the Bank of America app is not available in all the countries and regions. So if it is not directly showing up over here, that means this application is simply not available in your region. However, if it is available, you simply want to tap on that option and then tap on the install button. Before you tap on install, you can scroll down and find all the details about the application and also the reviews given by users as well. Once the app is downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your device. All you have to do now is tap on the open option and then sign into your account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.